Fazal, are we audible?
Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir. Good
Okay,
morning, sir.
good morning. So please start with introducing yourself.
Okay, sir. Myself as a Ahmed. Currently, I am pursuing a computer certified course O level from a local institute. I have completed my graduation from Purvanchal University in Bachelor in Arts, and I have done my 12th from Ramsakal Higher Senior Secondary with 89%, having first division honors and distinction in each subjects. I have completed my high school from St. Xavier's School with 83%, and I was also honored with the one of the best discipline students of that year. So coming to my place, my hometown, I belong from Balia district in Uttar Pradesh. That's also.
Okay. So what was your stream in your graduation?
Sir, I was doing in arts. The subjects were mainly English and geography in the final year.
Okay. So why a transition from arts to a commerce related subject?
Sir, actually, the very idea of coming into this business field is I have got a very nice group of friends. One of my friends is well established in his small business. He runs his own
Mhm.
shop. So in my early period, or still now, I am in contact with him, and I used to sit with him on his shop, and I kind of get motivated from how he does the business. I would help him out in his business, and the very good thing which I got from there is the way he deal with the public, deal with the people.
Okay. So after MBA, what is your goal?
So currently I am pretty much into the investment, like I do the cryptocurrencies investment, and I am managing a portfolio of 5 people since
Mhm.
1 year, and I have threefold their money since this 1 year. The
With
investment
cryptocurrency.
was, yes sir, with cryptocurrency. The investment was 10,000 each of per people, and I have multiplied it to threefold.
Okay.
So
So in which
during
cryptocurrency
this,
do you invest?
I mainly invest in the altcoins.
Okay. But
Altcoins, which
Bitcoin is more famous than altcoin.
so
So
Bitcoin
why?
is more famous, but yes, yes, sir, I will explain. Comparing with the returns, if you see, Bitcoin in long term will eventually give you the return, but the altcoins with good base, good fundamental values, and having a scope in market, they give us the returns very early.
Okay.
That's why I prefer the altcoins.
Okay. Okay. You are from Balia,
So
right?
during this period, sir, what I have, yes, sir, yes.
So you can tell me anything special about Balia, its history or its any
Uh,
monument, any place.
yes, our district is very well known for Mangal Pandey, who was one of the
Mhm.
most prominent and the first freedom fighter in the revolt of 1857.
Yeah.
And if you see by the cultural perspective, our district is famous for one of the biggest melas, the Dadri Mela.
Mhm. Coming to Mangal Pandey, whenever we
Yes,
talk
sir.
about the history, we talk less about Balia and more about Mangal Pandey, right?
So, sir, what's the point is that if you are talking about a specific topic, so
Mhm.
we will be including the main part only. We will talking about the main person only.
So don't you
But
think the whole story is kept hidden and only one thing is kept in front of everyone?
he is the only one person who, by whom our district will be recognized on the national level, or you can say on the international level as well.
Okay. Okay, Abhishek sir, over to you.
Thank you, sir.
Can you name any two items which are not included in GST? Any two items which
Uh,
are not included in GST?
Petrol,
Mhm.
as far as I think,
Yes.
and the other one is I think liquor. liquor.
Yes, 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 you are right. What are the four slab of GST?
Hmm. Sir, I can recall two only.
Yes,
One
yes.
is 18% slab and one is 28%. Other, I don't remember.
You only recall only higher rate only, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, good. Can you tell us what is bad bank?
Sir, the very idea for the establishment of bad banks was there is the problem growing of the NPAs. NPAs, like people are taking loans and they are not returning it back. So if the bank is coming in the situation that they can't recover that NPA, that loan from that person, so that amount, the banks will hand over that NPA problem to those bad banks, and they are specialized in recovering the loans. They will recover the loans from the business or whoever has been taken the loan, and the some portion of that loan which has been recovered from the by the bad banks, they will give it to the bank, the major bank who has granted the loan, and the other portion they will keep it to themselves.
Okay. What is inflation? And is it good for the economy or not?
So inflation is actually, I can't recall the steps. The value. Sorry, sir, I
Okay.
can't explain it well.
Can you tell what is year of Great Divide? Year of Great Divide. Which year is known as Year of Great Divide?
Sir, are you talking about demographic divide?
Yes, yes.
I can't remember, sir.
Okay. Can you give the full form of LPG in from the economic
Yes,
point of view?
liberalization, privatization, globalization.
What is the meaning of liberalization? Yeah, is it
Hello.
audible? Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes,
explain
sir.
what is
Now it's audible.
liberalization?
Liberalization means that uh, uh, providing freedom to the companies or the businesses that they can collect funds and or they can collect funds and investors from the public
Okay.
so that they can grow, their company, their business can grow.
In your hobby, you have mentioned
Providing
that
freedom for
you, yes, yes. In your hobby, you have
yes,
mentioned that you read e-article.
yes, sir.
Yeah. What was yesterday article in the newspaper?
Sir, actually, e-article, by that I mean that I usually read articles regarding health
Okay,
and
okay.
the topics which I interest, not on the daily basis. The
Okay. Shivani, you
editorial.
can continue.
Okay, Faisal, tell me about your strengths.
Ma'am, coming to my strength, one of the strength I would like to mention is that I am good at bonding with people, with maybe they are strangers or my close ones, showing empathy to them. And other one I would like to mention that uh, that's all.
Okay, tell me about your
I'm good at
weaknesses.
bonding and empathy.
Okay, tell me about your weaknesses.
Weaknesses, and weaknesses. Currently, I'm working on my English conversation. I'm little bit hesitant in expressing myself in in front of other persons. So I'm working on my English conversation.
So, how are you overcoming it?
Overcoming in the sense means I have been preparing for the GD and PI. for this interview round and the GD round as well for past few months. So during that practice, I have improved myself a lot.
Okay, okay.
Okay, thanks for joining us.